Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a rather comprehensive kitchen upgrade, the CAROTE 25-piece ceramic cookware set. Now, when you see 25 pieces, it can sound a little overwhelming, but CAROTE promises a lot here. They're touting a non-stick ceramic coating, removable handles for versatility, oven-safe capabilities, induction compatibility, and most importantly, a non-toxic, PFAS and PFOA-free construction. So, let's unbox this and see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are important, and CAROTE has certainly packed a lot into this set. We're talking about pots, pans, lids, and the star of the show, those removable handles. The design is clean, modern, and the ceramic coating has a nice, smooth finish. The initial feel is solid, not too heavy but with enough heft to suggest decent construction. Let's talk about the core promise, healthier cooking. CAROTE explicitly states that their cookware is free from PFOA, PFOS, and other harmful chemicals. This is a major selling point for many home cooks today who are increasingly concerned about what's leaching into their food. The non-stick ceramic coating is meant to allow you to cook with less oil, which contributes to healthier meals. In our testing, this held up well. Eggs slid around with ease, and pancakes released beautifully without sticking. This also ties directly into the claim of time-saving cleaning. And I can confirm, cleaning this set is remarkably simple. A quick wipe with a sponge and most residue comes right off, even after searing. Another key feature is even heating. The reinforced die-cast aluminum construction is designed to distribute heat rapidly and evenly across the entire cooking surface. This is crucial for preventing hot spots, where certain parts of your food might burn while others remain undercooked. We tested this by simmering a sauce and by searing meats, and the results were indeed quite uniform. There were no noticeable burnt patches or areas that remained cold, leading to consistent cooking throughout. This is a big win for anyone who values precision in their cooking. The removable handles are where this set really shines in terms of versatility. This feature allows you to go from stovetop to oven seamlessly. You can start a dish on the induction cooktop, pop it into the oven to finish, and then serve directly from the pan. This not only saves on washing extra dishes but also makes for a more streamlined cooking process. The handles themselves are designed to lock securely onto the cookware, giving you confidence as you move hot pots and pans. The oven-safe capability means you can tackle a wider range of recipes. Now, for the reality check. While the non-stick performance is excellent initially, the long-term durability of ceramic coatings is always something to watch. CAROTE does offer a 12-month warranty, which is reassuring. However, it's important to use the correct utensils, avoiding metal, and to clean them gently to maximize their lifespan. The die-cast aluminum construction does contribute to durability, resisting wear and tear for frequent use, but it's still a ceramic surface that requires some care. On the downside, 25 pieces can be a lot for a smaller kitchen. Storage might become an issue, though the removable handles do help to some extent. Also, while the set is induction compatible, it's always a good idea to double-check your specific induction cooktop for full compatibility if you're unsure. Overall, the CAROTE 25-piece ceramic cookware set offers a compelling package. It addresses key concerns about healthy cooking, simplifies cleanup, and provides impressive heating consistency. The removable handles add a layer of versatility that many cookware sets lack. If you're looking to refresh your kitchen with a non-toxic, versatile, and easy-to-use set, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.